And I'm checking your site, right? But I couldn't find the email that you gave me. Kosuke Suzuki, K-O-S-U-K-E.
Down station is here. Kitchen
This one,
for
right?
the laundry is here. TV room is non-powered side.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
This is where we are. Just 1 second.
Credit card.
I'm just 1 second.
Do you accept Amex?
Yeah.
Or JCB?
Hot spring.
It's not. It doesn't seem it's popular here.
Village all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
But there,
Yeah, it looks like you're.
this is a place where you stay. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
The
This is a laundry. How far is the laundry from our
when did it
Yes,
cancel?
just your parking is here. And this is our laundry here.
Suzuki Kosuke.
Yeah.
And what about
you
can
use
use the
the
facilities?
Circle here so we can park here.
Yeah.
And then
While down.
Yeah, you just use the facility here.
Yeah.
A week,
Cooking
2 weeks ago.
everything, doing laundry,
Yeah, I
shower,
think
and
before
then
coming
until
here,
just
so
go back.
I booked in Japan. And did I forget to confirm or
No, reception is here.
You said you couldn't find the email.
I've got email
The reception is here.
2 weeks
And
ago
you draft one
and
the weekend. It's 5 weeks here.
How long is this place?
Yeah, what's your.
You still need
Because
to wait
just
for
over
the
there.
interval.
Yeah, it is okay. Yeah.
the highlights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And you don't need power, right?
No, I don't need a car at all. I've got a tent and everything.
Yeah, and what about the dinner place?
Yeah. So his there was a his reservation didn't have a site sign, but he's just in a car or tent. Can I put one of those? Or he's... Oh, yeah, okay. Was it just for one night?
Yeah, just
yeah,
for
okay,
one
okay,
night.
cool. Thank you.
Oh God, thank you so much.
Sorry, I just don't always know what I'm looking at. So I just wanted to make sure.
I came here all the way from Japan. Yeah.
I know, I understand. I really do. Okay.
This moment I really expected. So yeah, God, thank you for your help.
Yeah, right, so we're thinking on one side. Oh, I'm sorry.
If you have the space, you
Okay. So it's 70. And how did you want to pay?
Yeah,
Credit card?
yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Well, you don't probably accept the JCB as well. So I'm gonna do the cash.
Okay. Can you try that other card? Try not to take cash.
Oh, right, no cash. Yeah. Okay, JCB. And I have a Visa, but I don't have it. I don't remember the password. So, because I haven't
You
used
and
this
everyone
one,
else.
so.
Okay,
So,
that's fine.
so I'm gonna try the Visa card. And I'm not sure if I can
That's
PIN
all
number.
right.
Ooh.
Taking out some of that.
Yeah, I've tried 3-4 times and it didn't work. I haven't used this card for almost 5 years. Yeah. I just I took it with me for just in case. I forgot the password. So. Okay. Sorry about that.
Okay. Okay, so we are here in reception.
Yeah.
We're going to be in 304. It's going to be tight because we're just squeezing people in.
304.
So you're actually going to go back that way
Okay.
and take the first drive up the hill. You'll
Oh,
see
yeah.
a sign that says, and then you can just park in your site,
Yeah.
make friends.
Okay. Right.
There's services up here.
Yeah.
And then you can use all the campground services
Okay,
as well as a big
cool.
kitchen and everything down here if
Yeah.
you want to come down that way. Wi-Fi password. Check out 10 a.m.
Nice.
If you have any problems, just come
Is it possible to do to make a campfire?
back.
What
We are on our fire ban here.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are barbecues,
Yeah. Okay.
but no campfires.
Just a stove that I
Yeah,
can eat.
yeah,
Yeah. No
yeah,
problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Thank you so
Thanks for
much.
your patience.
I really
Yeah, no
appreciate
worries.
it. Thank you. Bye.